Alright, so in this video, this is going to be for our teams that are red belts and up. In our past week's classes, we've been going through some concepts that have been going through our advanced style of kicks training, and there was a lot of them to kind of digest all at one time. So a lot of us were getting the hang of it, but I wanted to make a video so that way you guys can see what these kicks were. So that way if you need to practice a little bit slower, or just to practice more on your own for fun, this is a good way to do it. The last thing that's helpful for this is to hear the names of what we're actually doing from our positions. One tip that I'd like you to do that'll really help you to prevent from getting so dizzy is whatever combination you do in one direction, bring it back the other way. So again, it kind of unwinds some of that dizzy turning. Going one way over and over, you won't be able to do very many of these kicks. We did make a video for our beginner and intermediate teams. If you want extra practice, I always encourage to start at the beginner level concepts, work your way up to your most advanced concepts, so that way we're always working on a skill that can help you improve. So here we go. These are the tips and kicks that we were using in our previous week's classes. So from our sparring stance, we're going to begin with a tornado. So a tornado is going to be a rear leg roundhouse kick, followed by a spin jump roundhouse kick. Now when I do that kick, slow and steady as we talk about it, we want to turn that pivot position, open our hips. Now for turn kick number 2, I'm going to match my feet, eyes, shoulders, hips, back to the target. Then I'm going to point my opposite knee at the target, and as I jump, turn my shoulders and hips so that rear leg roundhouse kick comes through nice and smooth. So when you do our tornado pattern, going one direction, back the other way, I'd like you to practice tornadoes 5 times. Our next pattern was our hurricane. These kind of build their way up. On our hurricane, it's going to be 3 kicks. It's going to start with the tornado, rear leg round, our jump round, and then we add a spinning hook kick. Now once I finish that kick, it's going to come back again, roundhouse kick, spin jump, spin hook. Those are our hurricanes. Just like the last set, we're going to do 5 of those. So when I go right, 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 left, 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 that's 1 turn. Again, our mission is to get to 5. Our next kick pattern was our F1. We gave a helpful tip in this to remember that a tornado is the base of these kicks. The 1 in the F1 means we're going to do 1 additional spin jump roundhouse kick. So again, in this pattern, we'll start with our tornado, rear leg round, spin jump round, and another spin jump round. Once I finish one leg, I'll come back the other. Round, spin jump, spin jump. Once I complete those, that's 1 turn. Again, I'd like you to do 5 of those. Now within these turns, if you've gotten kind of dizzy, stop, take a break, get some water, come back, and then do the next set when you've unwound yourself. Okay? So we've worked our way through tornadoes, hurricane, and F1. Now a real simple turn that we can build on from here in our 4 kick combinations is our F2. As simple as it sounds, it's just 1 additional spin jump roundhouse kick. On an F2, I would do my rear leg round, my spin jump round, another spin jump round, and 1 more spin jump round. 4 total kicks. Then I would bring it back the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we get through those 5 sets, if you need it, catch your breath, get some water, come back for our typhoon. Now typhoon is also a 4 kick pattern. This is the one that probably gave our teammates the most challenge through the week. The hardest kick is the pop-up spin hook kick. If you can do a hurricane, which hopefully we can, then this typhoon really only adds that 1 additional kick. So let's talk about how to get that. In this example, I'm going to be kicking with my right foot. So I'm going to put my right foot farthest from the camera. From here, let's say I've done my last spin hook kick, and I'm about to do the 4th kick. I'm going to look over my right shoulder. I'm going to push my hips down. I'm going to push off of my left leg, up, and then when I land, that hook kick will come through nice and smooth. Now if I'm on my left leg, once again it would be the farthest leg back, pushing my hips down. I'm going to push up, and once I land, my left leg should be nice and light to come up, open, and to do that last hook kick. So again, these are going to be 4 kicks. This is going to be our typhoon. Rear leg round, spin, jump, round, my spin hook, and then that last kick, my pop-up, spin hook. Coming back, typhoon from the side 2, rear leg, spin jump, spin hook, and last, leg is the farthest, drive down, pop-up, spin hook kick. So, in those combinations, these were all the varieties of kicks that we did through last week's class. Each one practiced in sets of 5, one at a time. Each time you go through and back the other way, grab some water, catch your breath, come back in and work the next set. Again, I'd like you guys, if possible and if you have time, to go back and practice our balance concepts from our beginner and intermediate teams so that way we're also improving on our balance. Good luck, team.